We are not just the most complex creatures on this planet. We are the planet itself, risen from its raw materials. Wind the clock back nearly 4 billion years, and you'll find a world of molten lava, a fiery stage that will become home to nearly 9 million living species. But generating life from this inferno requires a miracle of probability. No one knows exactly how or where life began, but one theory suggests it was a chain of improbable coincidences. Lightning strikes, and chemicals join in a precise sequence, a lucky spark in an extreme environment. The first ever cell is born, sending out messages to reproduce, guaranteeing its survival. Through billions of years of mutation and diversification, the tree of life branches out. Creatures become more complex, until our ancestor is a 3-inch armored fish. Our journey is a constant fight for survival. A primeval monster's jaws and teeth push us into the shallows. But the stagnant water lacks oxygen. We can't go back. We can't stay. There's only one place left to go. Up. Over millions of years, natural selection provides a lifeline. Our body adapts until we do something no fish has done before. Breathe air. A new organ, the lung, develops. The next time you take a breath, remember it's because a monster fish chased our ancestor into stagnant water. 365 million years ago, we stick our head out of the water. We pull ourselves onto the land, changing the course of history. But this new world comes with a price. The sun dries our skin, the hard terrain tears at our soft feet. We dodge extinction only to face another deadly environment. But again, natural selection helps us adapt. Thicker skin protects us, and tough claws, which will one day become our fingernails, help us move. We've adapted to life on land, but our eggs haven't. They need a tough shell. But a male can't fertilize an egg through one. The solution: fertilize it before the shell forms inside the female's body. Sex as we know it starts here, a masterpiece of evolution that increases genetic variety and keeps our species alive. Thanks to sex, we become the first of our ancestors to live entirely on land. Bombarded with new information, our brains evolve. We get smarter. A mutation gives us bigger, more powerful jaw muscles. We are Verinops, a pure meat-eating machine. Our success seems certain, but our story is a roller coaster. 250 million years ago, in Siberia, the Earth tears itself apart. Molten rock covers an area the size of the United States. Noxious gases trap the sun's heat, and temperatures soar. 95% of all species die. Only a tiny handful hang on, including us and another species that will one day become the dinosaurs. As the fight for survival ends, the battle for supremacy begins. 30 million years after the mass extinction, we're a cat-sized creature covered in fur, but we're not alone. We're staring down a 5-foot-tall Herrerasaurus. Her ancestors adapted faster than ours, putting the dinosaurs ahead. Our only hope is natural selection. Over millions of years, we get smaller, harder to catch. We become nocturnal. Tiny muscles make our fur stand on end to trap air, which is why we get goosebumps today. Our senses sharpen. Inside our brain, a new structure evolves. The neocortex, the seat of complex thought. The dinosaurs may be the best thing that ever happened to us. Thanks to them, we have powerful senses and brilliant brains. To protect our offspring, we evolved to give birth, to live young, nurturing them with milk. The mammals have arrived, but the dinosaurs' reign, lasting 165 million years, is about to end. 65 million years ago, an asteroid strikes. Pulverized rock engulfs the planet, blocking the sun. Temperatures plummet. For the big dinosaurs with big appetites, it's a disaster. As the mighty fall, the small rise. Their bug-eating ancestor survives, inheriting the dinosaur's crown. 60 million years ago, we take to the trees, feasting on fruit. We are one of the first primates. But the planet keeps changing. As forests shrink, we need a new way to reach food. Our tail shrinks, but our arms grow long and flexible. Deep underground, the East African Rift Valley forms, creating a mountain chain that blocks the rain. The trees get even further apart. We're starving. 4.4 million years ago, the will to survive forces us to do something extraordinary. We take our first steps on 2 legs. Walking takes us to food and frees our hands to carry it. Over the next million years, our body evolves to walk further and faster. But there's a trade-off. A narrower pelvis makes childbirth harder. Babies must be born earlier, less developed, which is why we spend years caring for our young. With predators all around, the only way to survive is to outthink them. Natural selection favors a bigger brain. Weaker jaw muscles release their grip, and the brain is free to grow. 2.3 million years ago, we are Homo habilis, handyman. With a big brain and walking on 2 legs, we are the first of a new type of creature, man. Scavenging for food, we discover that a sharp stone can break open bones to get the marrow inside. We have just made the first tool. With it, we will change the world. 1.8 million years ago, we find a new species, Homo erectus. We are no longer just scavengers. We are hunters, working together. We can't outrun an impala, but we can outlast it. We have long torsos to stabilize us and powerful muscles to push us forward. And unlike the fur-covered impala, we can sweat to cool down. Then, a spark of an idea changes everything. Fire. It provides warmth, light, and safety. Protected from the dark, our families gather. Cooked meat is easier to chew, so our large molars retreat, becoming our wisdom teeth. With less energy spent on chewing, our brains grow even larger. But with more males in a family, rivalries are inevitable. Communication becomes key. Our tongue changes shape, our voice box moves down, allowing us to make different sounds and, ultimately, words. Speech is our greatest tool. 200,000 years ago, after a 3.3 billion year battle, we finally arrived. We are Homo sapiens. Pound for pound, we have the largest brain of any creature on Earth. Armed with tools, speech, and superior intelligence, we spread across every continent, adapting to new challenges. Until we become the undisputed masters of the world, our journey, from a single cell to a complex being, is a testament to the incredible power of evolution and the unbreakable will to survive. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through time. If you found this story as amazing as we do, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next adventure.